Hey guys, it's NoWickChilly or Chilly Z, and I am here to unbox. It's been kind of crazy trying to get this set up. I don't know what is wrong with my computer, so I have to do this on my phone. So I am so excited to share with you guys the Scentsy Whiff box for February. I feel like it's like a crazy thing because I've been like sitting here trying to go live and it is not working on the computer. Sometimes Facebook drives me crazy. Well, anyway, happy Friday. We are almost finished with February. I cannot believe it. I can't believe how fast it's gone. And I'm sitting here. It is cold outside. I almost did this video in my Snuggie because I am so freezing. And I have my coffee and I'm warming a like Christmassy orange, cinnamony kind of scent. And I have a coffee that's like, I don't know, it's like a caramel something. So I feel like it's Christmas. And the weird thing is, Christmas went by so fast that it's like I didn't even think about it. Anyway, sorry for all the talk. I am excited about sharing the box this month. Okay, so for those who do not know, this is a Scentsy Whiff box, and you can buy this right now on my website, or you can sign up to have it delivered every single month, and that's what I do. I get this surprise whiff box every single month, and for those of you who love fragrance and who are obsessed with fragrance, this is a fun way to experience all of our Scentsy products. So let's see if I can get this down. Yep. Since now I'm doing it on my phone, I'm not sure it's going to like this as much. Oops. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you're gonna see it first on camera. Filled with love. Ooh, I don't know why I have it up this high. This might work better. Oh my gosh. Okay, making connections. And it's written in all of our languages because we have a whiff box in all the different countries. And it tells you just about our whiff box. We launched our new spring summer catalog this month, and we have new products and new fragrances. But the best part, we're including a mini warmer for the first time. Oh my gosh, look, I have a mini warmer. And there's always something fun. Okay, snap pictures of how you're using your mini warmer and show all the pictures and everything. Wow, this is an awesome whiff box. And by the way, guys, you can still get this till the end of the month. You do not have to have a subscription to get this. Okay, let me just, sorry, I gotta pop one. It's just out of habit. Okay, let's see. Oh, Shoreline Drive. Oh, I like that one. Really fresh and clean. Here, I'm gonna pull out the description so I can tell you guys. Even it comes with a new catalog, so you can see all of our new products. If you already, if you're not getting the whiff box and you want a new catalog, will you please private message me or comment below so I can send you one of these catalogs, and I will send you some goodies. Because look, I've got some samples in here of washer whiffs. So maybe if you message me, you may be getting some of these washer whiffs. Oh, I'm excited about that. Okay, Clowberry Dreams. Let me tell you about the scents that I am getting here. Okay, so Shoreline Drive is one of our new releases, and that was the one that's in here. Take a scenic route with dewy greens and passion flower as sea mist guides the way. It's just a clean, fresh. And you can see when it has the little picture like that, the little wave, that means it's one of the fresh scents. Oh, here, it's got it also here. See, you can see all the different scents with our little fragrance wheel. It's a little bit different than the official fragrance wheel. It's our Scentsy fragrance wheel. This smells amazing. Sorry, I wish I could like get you like picked up there. Oh, I see somebody on that is actually already got a whiff box, so she probably already saw this. I hope I'm not ruining the surprise. Ooh, and then Sunburst Bamboo. Usually you're gonna get a bar or a little pod for the scent of the month, and this is the scent of the month this month. So this one is Sunburst Bamboo. It's another one fresh, and I love this. I can't wait for it to get warm outside because I'm gonna melt this. Right now, I'm still using my Christmas scents because when it's cold, I just like the scent. Okay, so that we got 2 bars. These are $6 a piece. We're getting them all put in here. 2 packs of our washer whiffs of Clowberry Dreams. This is a really, really yummy scent. I can read you the description of that one too, because off the top of my head, I do not know what these things exactly smell like. So Clowberry Dreams is a sweet raspberry with a whisper of rose, soar through billowing burst of peach and vanilla. And at first, people are like, really, you want to wash your clothes in this scent? But I am telling you that people love when I wash in black raspberry vanilla. So I'm excited to try Clowberry Dreams. I know when my husband goes and works out at the gym, people talk to him about how nice he smells. And we got a scent circle of Clementine Cupcake. These are great to put in the kids' gym bags. They're good to put in your car or whatever. Just clip this and leave it in the bag for a couple of days because it will smell very strong in your car, especially if it's warm in the car. This will make your car smell very good. I don't take it out of the bag until I can't smell it in the plastic bag. So just rip it or cut this right here so that you can smell it wherever. And do be careful because the scent circles do have our scent wax on them, so be careful where you place those. And then you got all this goodie in here. This is just to kind of fluff up the box. But here is the big one. Oh, and I got tie-dye. It's one of our new night lights. So let me pull this open. And it's on the picture here, but I'm telling you, when you look at all the different warmers, I got a bad glare. When you look at all the different warmers on the pictures, they're just not as beautiful as they are in person. And now you'll see on our little, what are these things called? I don't know, the insert. This is the way the warmers go. There's two types of warmers, the glass-based warmer and then the other warmer. You can see that they have two different bases. These are what come in the box when you buy the mini warmer or nightlight. And then you can buy the base. If you want to put this little mini warmer on something instead of the wall, you can buy the base. So that's a really fun thing. So here's the little base for it. And then the tie-dye. Oh my gosh, you guys, this color is so pretty. And the dish is blue too. Oh my gosh. So, so pretty. And it's there, the decals are like on the outside. So it's definitely gonna glow. The white will glow when it lights up. And that came in as a surprise in our Scentsy Whiff box. This was a fun one. If you like this, you can get it now. I'll put the link so you can get it. But better yet, sign up for a subscription so you get it every single month. Then it comes and it's a surprise. And then you can, and you know what else? These little boxes make great gifts. So let me tell you what happens if you buy it as a subscription. It's gonna be sent in this exact box. You're gonna get the box like this. It's gonna come and it's gonna have, you know, the postage stuff and everything. Before I started the video, I actually cut it open, but it's gonna come sealed. If you buy more than one of these, if you add it to a Scentsy order with some other products, it will come in a bigger box with all your products. But if not, you're gonna get your postage. It'll be postmarked just like this. And this is the way that our whiff boxes come. So surprise scent fragrance every single month. If you want to do that, we will get you signed up for Scentsy Club. Let me know if you have any questions. And I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Thanks for dealing with all the technical difficulties. And I hope you have a happy Friday and the rest of February. I cannot believe that it is almost the end of February. So next time I'll try to be a little earlier with the whiff boxes. I get them at the beginning of the month, but sometimes I forget to open them. I'm bad. I do get very excited when they come though. So we had a whole bunch of new stuff. On Tuesday, I'm gonna do it's gonna be March 1st, and I'm gonna do a live video of some scent tips, and I've got some new products to show you. And just so you know, we've got a lot of new stuff that's come out, so check on my website. We've got lots of different things coming. And so Monday we have some more stuff. And March 7th, our Easter collection is coming out. So lots of exciting things. Make sure to like the page, or if you're watching this replay on a different platform, please subscribe to my channel. And you guys have a sensational day.